Hi and welcome to this video. Today we're going to see how to open a screwback watch without proper tools. So this right here is a Casio edifice watch, and on the back there are 6 little notches to open it. And well, if you don't have the proper tool that goes over these notches to be able to turn it, you can use something like this cheap metal caliper. If you do not have a caliper at home, I'm going to show you a different method towards the end of the video. But all you need to do to open the watch is open the caliper and place it like this in 2 notches on opposite sides of the watch. And then you should have a screw on top of the caliper to block it. So now, well, it's not going to move anywhere. And so now that the caliper is sitting securely in the notches, you just need to turn it counterclockwise. Be careful not to break anything. And here we have already loosened the back of the watch. And we can use our fingers to open it completely. So, mission accomplished. The watch is now open and we can access the little battery that is right there. Change it out and then close the watch the same way we opened it, but in reverse. A different method that does not use a caliper, but is also a little bit harder to pull off. So for that you're going to need a pair of scissors, and just as before, we'll open it and place it in the notches. And as you can see, it opens the watch just fine. And we're in. I hope this quick video was useful to you. If that's the case, please consider leaving me a like and subscribing down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.